Hello, everybody. I was I am following this tutorial, as you know. Re While reaching this point, the thing is not transparent for us, and we have followed the same steps shown in the tutorial, but we are using another render engine, and so we need to. If we switch to cycles, oh my god, this is so, it's very expensive using cycles for me. But here it is. It's working, but as you are saying, this is very expensive for this computer. So if now, because the final animation that we get from here, the final model will be rendered with this engine, because the other models are using this to, let's sorry for being too slow, but I want to provide explanations. So what can we do? Well, let's follow yet another tutorial how to do transparent glass on this engine, render engine.
Expand the menu and also enable refraction.
Okay, we finished.
First of all, let's
And I'm not sure how ethical this will be, because I am showing this. I mean, um, I'm not sure if this will result in a problem, because I am, broadcasting this video that I do not own. I do not have. I don't mean to infringe the copyright laws for the author of this video, but I don't want to memorize the things that this creator is doing and then replicate the same stuff, present the things as this is real time. This is what I do. In, I search for Blender tutorials on YouTube and then take the elements that I need for my videos that I want to share. Sometimes I come up with some tips on my own that I discovered by using Blender, by exploring Blender. Two little tips that you have seen, like the camera on top view. Let's continue. I apologize if someone is being offended by me. Just let me know. Hey, don't broadcast this stuff, and we will erase the video. But I want to, if someone is reaching the same obstacles, hey, here's the alternatives that I've used. I don't know if this will work, but let us try. Let us see.
enable screen space reflections. Expand the menu and also enable refraction.
Okay. We are following the things that this person is saying. Okay, nothing has changed. We will change this to Principled BSDF.
Then, let's go to Material Properties menu and scroll down to Settings and enable screen space
And here we need to
Then, let's go to Material Properties menu and
okay, Principled BSDF. We need to go back to this algorithm.
scroll down to Settings and enable Screen Space Refractions.
These videos are so well, great produced. You know, they zoom in into the things that you need to click, and they provide you with colors. And it, you know, they are showing these are amazing. I need to see what kind of tools they use. So when I present some tutorials on the future, you know, use this as kind of stuff. So no more talk, less talk and more action. Okay, settings. We need to change these materials. Principled. Where is principled? Okay. What? Oh my God! Some probably. Okay. Where is the thing? Screen space refraction. No, another thing. I don't know what version is this of Blender, but I'm using 4.1. Screen space. Screen space. There is no more screen space over here. I think we need to find another tutorial. Input reflections, settings. Where is settings? I am lost over here. Okay, we are back. It's on the material. Raytrace Refraction. We are choosing this. I'm not sure.
we cannot see through the glass.
Actually, I'm not seeing anything. What this guy is even talking about? Okay, but let us see how transmission one. Where's transmission? You know, let us find another because okay, we did it. So yeah, great. We just hopefully you saw the okay. We can stop now this tutorial. Perhaps they will they will be refining you know, the glass and the areas which will be translucent. But we are done for our purposes. We just needed for the robot for us to see the eyes of the robot, and the mouth. And this is a philosophical thing. That's why I am doing this. I will start doing this animations with these robots because they can assist us, but we need to be aware that they are not alive like some people think, and they are not able to think or understand, but they can simulate the thinking. Thank you very much. Bye.